Hello and welcome to this tutorial that will show you how to wear a hat. This tutorial will include all aspects of wearing a hat, including putting the hat on and wearing it. This tutorial is designed for people that have a hat and do not know what it is for. It is also for people that have a hat, know what it is for, but do not know how to wear the hat. Additionally, this tutorial is designed for people who have a little too much free time on their hands and can afford to watch tutorials entitled How to Wear a Hat. So without further ado, I present to you How to Wear Hat tutorial. You will learn. Now, in order for you to get the very most out of this tutorial, it is probably best that you get yourself a hat. You may really struggle to learn how to wear a hat without having one. I cannot stress this enough. For those of you that have no clue what I am talking about, I will need to show you exactly what a hat is. This is a hat. You can see it's like made of material, and it's got like this thing at the top, and then it's got like the flaps like here, and then it's got like an internal section. Don't know if you can see the internal section inside. We'll just have a look and see what's inside here. Don't think there's anything inside, but this is what a hat is, so a bit of knowledge for you. I dropped it. We are now ready to apply the hat to ourselves in order for it to be worn. Now, the hat is often worn on the shoulders and the knees, I believe, and also the toes, but for the purpose of this tutorial we will just be wearing the hat on our head. I know that is quite an unusual place to put said hat, but I'm going to show you it anyway. So this is how to wear the hat. Firstly, what you're going to want to do is put the hat down, just like this. Just a bit of stretching beforehand. Okay. Now that we've done that, we can pick up the hat. You can use two hands if you like. So we picked up the hat now, and you should see this inner bit here. So what you want to do is grab like that with one hand, and then with the other hand grab like that, and then you want to like twist it around like that, and then you just want to kind of put it on your head. Now this is the tricky part. This is probably why you're all here. It doesn't always go on straight away, particularly if you have a particularly large head. Now thankfully my head is tiny, so this hat should slip on nice and easily. Just takes a bit of getting used to. Now the issue that you'll also find is that the hat is quite floppy. It's quite a floppy hat, and that makes things a lot more tricky. If you want to get a more sturdy hat, one that is not so floppy, it's just flopping all over the place. It just makes things a little more tricky when applying the hat. But just keep manoeuvring the hat around your head and it should go on. Try like head banging, maybe that will help. I don't know. It's a bit of a squeeze, this hat. I must have got a really small hat there. It's struggling to get on. But we're getting there. We're making progress. It's almost on. I can feel it almost around my head. So it's so close. We're making good leeway. And the trick is not to panic, because if you panic, then the hat may not go on properly. But it's worth it in the end. You just have to keep practicing. Almost there. I think we're done. I think I've done it. And that is how to wear a hat. It should look something like this. And that completes the tutorial on how to wear a hat. I understand that there are a lot of techniques that I've showed you in this tutorial, and it could take you a very long time to learn how to put on your hat. So just please try and be patient when attempting to put on the hat yourself. Also, please bear in mind that not even I have mastered how to put on the hat properly, so I'm going to go off now and practice some more and hopefully perfect it. So I'll catch you later. Good luck with your hat wearing, and I hope you can wish the same for me if you like. Okay, see you. Put this hat on again. We should make this a bit easier. I wouldn't need to do the tutorial then. It's a bit tricky, this. Is it on? Stretching my neck out. I don't know if this is wise. Is it on? I think it's on. Oh. Didn't realise it's on the floor. Try again. Oh, I'll see you. You don't need to see this. Don't need to watch this at all. Okay, so I've been practicing for absolutely ages now, and I've mastered one hat, no problem. That was a piece of cake in the end. And now I'm going for 2 hats. So I'll just show you if I can put 2 hats on. So we'll just put the first hat on. Okay. This is what practice leads to. Yeah, I don't know where I was going wrong actually at the beginning, but luckily I've figured out how to put it on. So yeah, we're just putting the first hat on, and then I'll show you how to put on the second hat. Let's just get the first hat on now. Well, it's not going on now. I don't understand. I was doing it before. I just wasn't recording. It wasn't recording, so it wasn't showing you guys. But I promise you, I'll put the first hat on. Is it on? Okay, we'll just put the second hat on, just to show you how the second hat is worn. So again, same technique, very same technique. Just put this on, just like this. Okay, this one's a bit harder, this one, than the other one. This one's not. Oh, is that on? And yeah, you just I give up.